Hey, my name is Jed, and I'm an incoming senior at Morel Catholic High School, and this is my first milestone for my MIDI controller. So let me just show it. So this is my breadboard, my Arduino, and for my first milestone, I was able to wire the circuits for the button press and the potentiometer. Now let me just show a quick demo of how it works. So here's my button press. It's right smack dab in the middle, and every time I press this button, the LED light turns on the Arduino, and I can do it as long as possible. I can do it for a short time, but yeah, it works. And the same thing works for the potentiometer. I just need to upload the code from the Arduino IDE. Yeah, and one second. So, yeah, every time I turn the knob, just try looking at the lights. The LED turns on in like intervals that are really slow at first, as you can see at the very left, the light on the very left. But yeah, it's turning on really slow, and then whenever I turn the knob clockwise, the intervals that the LED turns on, it's much faster until it just turns dim. So yeah, that means that it works and it's working. So I faced some challenges with this because I'm like brand new to Arduino, and I never knew how a breadboard worked at first. So this was very new to me, and it was a little overwhelming at first. So that was what was challenging because I didn't know what ground or power, or I didn't even know what 5 volt or any of that meant, like realistically. So yeah, when I understood how to do it, it became a lot more easy to just understand how the circuitry of like the button press the potentiometer, and I think I'll go a long ways because I understand how to do it much better now. And what's next? I think next I'm gonna work on the MIDI code, and basically what the MIDI code does is it converts the digital and analog inputs, which are the button press and the potentiometer, and yeah, so it converts those inputs into MIDI messages, which is like the foundation for my project basically. So I need to get that done pretty quick, and after that, I think I'll get that actual like foundation for my box and get the buttons and solder all of the wires into it so that I get the MIDI done in time, and hopefully it works. I'm excited for what my next milestone has in store. Thanks, peace.